Hello guys and welcome to my new channel on YouTube. Here I will show my characters on Infestation, but because my channel is of I will play Infestation, and yeah, this is my main account, my assassin, and this is my second character. I PvPing in the Frosty with my Danish people's friends. We have a Danish team and we play a lot of Infestation. We are together. We are good together. Yeah, and I will show my GI here. This is my GI. A lot of weapons I have looted on my pro server. So yeah, I will do it fast so we can see my ammos. Yeah, is my weapons. This is my ammos and my melees and ammo and backpacks and my food, bag of me and my medic, Rachel, and my cheats. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's my GI and it's my characters. This is my loot man, and yeah, and this is my, of course, my main character. So if you see me in the Frosty PP veteran, so yeah, say hey maybe and maybe try to kill us. We are 10 in the server in our clan. Our clan is one row, and yes. See you guys and have fun.